Good afternoon. Welcome. May I see your passport, please?
Good afternoon. Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Is this your first time visiting our country?
Yes, it is my first time. I'm a little nervous.
No need to worry. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism and sightseeing.
How long will you be staying?
I will stay for 7 days.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I have a hotel reservation in the city center.
May I see your return ticket?
Yes, I have an electronic ticket on my phone.
Please show me the return date, please.
My return flight is on the 15th at 8 p.m.
Thank you. Do you have travel insurance for this trip?
Yes, I purchased travel insurance before I left.
Travel insurance is important in case of illness or flight delays.
I wanted to be prepared for unexpected problems.
That is a responsible decision for a first-time traveler.
I tried to plan everything carefully.
Are you carrying any food, plants, or animal products?
No, I am not carrying any of those items.
Do you have anything to declare to customs?
No, I only have clothes and personal items.
Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, I'm carrying less than that amount.
These are routine questions we ask every traveler.
I understand. Thank you for explaining.
Clear answers help speed up the entry process.
I'm glad to cooperate.
Did you pack your luggage by yourself?
Yes, I packed everything myself.
Has anyone given you any items to carry?
No, no one gave me anything.
Never accept packages from strangers at the airport.
I won't. That sounds risky.
It can cause serious legal problems.
I didn't realize it could be that serious.
Security rules protect both the country and the traveler.
That makes me feel more secure.
Please place your right hand on the fingerprint scanner.
All right, I'm placing it now.
Thank you. Now look at the camera for a photo.
Okay,
We collect biometric data to confirm identity.
I didn't know that was part of the process.
Many countries use this system for border control.
It seems very organized.
It helps prevent identity fraud and illegal entry.
That is good for safety.
What places are you planning to visit?
I plan to visit museums and historical sites.
Have you arranged transportation from the airport?
Yes, I booked an airport shuttle online.
That is convenient for first-time visitors.
I wanted to avoid confusion.
Keeping your booking confirmations is important.
I saved them on my phone and printed copies.
Excellent preparation reduces travel stress.
I already feel more confident.
May I confirm the name of your hotel?
It is the Grand City Hotel.
Do you know the hotel address?
Yes, I saved the full address and contact number.
Good. Immigration officers may verify accommodation details.
I'm glad I prepared that information.
Always keep your hotel card with you while exploring.
That's a helpful tip.
It helps if you need directions back to your hotel.
I'll make sure to carry it.
Are you feeling well today?
Yes, I feel fine.
If you feel sick during your stay, seek medical help immediately.
Thank you for the advice.
Emergency numbers are available at the airport and online.
I will save those numbers.
Please respect local laws and public behavior standards.
Of course, I will follow the rules.
Understanding local customs makes travel smoother.
I want to be a respectful visitor.
Everything appears to be in order.
That's a relief to hear.
I will stamp your passport now.
Thank you very much.
Please check that the entry date is correct.
Yes, the date is correct.
Remember to leave before your visa expires.
I will make sure to follow that rule.
Overstaying may result in fines or travel restrictions.
I understand the consequences.
You are now officially admitted.
Thank you. I'm very excited.
Keep your passport secure at all times.
I will store it safely in my bag.
If you need help, visit the airport information desk.
That's reassuring to know.
Enjoy your stay and explore safely.
Thank you for your guidance.
Welcome, and have a wonderful first journey.
I will. This experience feels much easier now.